It's just that Amy is so sexy or hot or whatever I was trying to make there as a joke.
Because of her girls?
I'm just Good fucking afternoon. It is not the Smart Vlogs. We are not in the Smart. We are in Allie's car, and then we're gonna go to IKEA.
Can I hit them? They look like they would fly. They could bounce. They just kind of crunch. I found Jesus. We killed Lee. He needs Jesus. I tried to throw Jesus at you, but I missed. We're in adult Disneyland, also known as Divorce 101.
Welcome to Cinnamon Bun Welcome to Cinema Bun Time with Amy, where she just eats cinnamon buns seductively. Allie dances behind you.
Ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille? Alright, how soft is it? Don't hit me with it.
Soft.
That's
soft.
My eye would be.
Yeah. That was not very